The Maverick is in a suspicious mood this evening. Yeah, man, highly suspicious mood. I am suspecting that the pending Manning and the Costa Cup schoolboy football competitions, which are still in limbo, them going to remain in limbo for a very long time. I think local sports administrators and decision makers are being confused by watching global sports on television. The cricket in England, the football leagues in Europe, the NBA, etc. Watching these sports on television has given them a false sense of adventure, where the thinking is that foreign sports are play, so Jamaican sports can play too. Not realizing that all of these sports they're watching on television are being played in multi-million-dollar US bubbles. Yes. While we don't even have sun water in a Jamaica, much less the bubble. The Manning and the Costa Cup are tentatively set for the end of October, with some lesser competitions set to start earlier. But with the recent uptick in the COVID cases in Jamaica, with all my Maverick vision and foresight and eyesight, yes. Me still can't see a schoolboy football season this year. Yes, me not lie. Me I look to the immediate future and me see all kind of things. Yes, me see people in a green shirt and people in a orange shirt. Yes. I don't see no schoolboy football. All me I look, I can't see no schoolboy football. Me see green shirt and me see orange shirt. Me I look, me see.